Hi, I just wanted to take a moment to introduce ourselves to you. We are the one and only Spectrum Overhead Door. We service the entire Houston metro area. We take care of garage door repairs. We take care of opener repairs, driveway gates. If you need a new motor, if you need a new spring, if you need your panels replaced, Spectrum Overhead Door can take care of you today. We give you a free quote, a free estimate. Many times we can come out the same day and take care of your project. When you call Spectrum Overhead Door, you're not just calling an appointment maker, you're not just calling a dispatcher, you're calling somebody with a lot of experience. All of our dispatchers have worked out in the field. They know what they're talking about. Our service manager, Cory, is the one that you'll be speaking to most of the time. We also have Cece, who works in the office. She has years of experience out in the field as well. So when you talk to us, we will answer all of your questions, make sure that you feel good and that you're confident about us before we come out to your house. Don't forget to ask about our discounts. I know that times are a little rough for some people out there, and getting $50 off, getting $100 off, getting $200 off a new garage door can really make a difference. What really sets us apart from our competition is that we listen to our customers. So we don't just show up and take a look at what needs to be done and tell you what you have to pay. We work with you, we understand you, we listen to you. We see what your needs are, what your budget is. We believe what makes a good service company is not somebody to come there and just tell you how it is. It's value, skill, and a heart to serve our customers. When other companies come to meet with you, they like to tell you how it is. But with us, our motto is deliver value, value, value. We don't promise you that our price is going to be less than everybody else, but we do promise that we're going to give you the greatest value that we as a company can give you. With us, customer satisfaction is job one. The service that we give you, you're going to want to tell your neighbors, your friends, your family about us. At Spectrum Overhead Door, we are A+ members of the BBB. We are Google verified members. Our customers are super happy that they hired us, and you'll see that in our reviews. If you need garage door service today, give Spectrum Overhead Door a call. Give us a chance. You won't regret it. We're going to make sure that you are 100% satisfied. We look forward to meeting you. We look forward to talking with you, and we will see you soon.